Kulesisigameko senzeke ekuseni namhlanje esikhumulweni samatekisi. Kuphoqeke ukuthi sivalwe. Amatekisi asebenzela lapha ayiswa kwenye indawo.
Kuyabonakala ukuthi zigangs, kwi-gangs ezizibiza nge-cats ezinye zi-dogs ebezidubulana kule veki iphelileyo. So siyabona ke ukuthi isenzo sempindezelo esi. Siyayiphanda ke imatha ngumed and robbery wethu. Sicinga uba mhlawumbe singabamba abanye abantu.
Amaphoyisa asola nombango wamatekisi endaweni. Babili abantu abathungathwayo abangabasolwa. Amaphoyisa asekhiphe Umehlokaboni we-100,000 zamarandi kumuntu ongaba nolwazi ngalesi sigameko.
Yes, we believe it is taxi related. You will understand that Codetta has got a return permission to Somerset. However, they do not have the rank there. And Qatar is not happy with that. It is something that has been monitored by mobility. And also we are offering a reward of up to 100,000 to any person who can provide information that can lead to arrest and conviction of anyone that is responsible.
Sekujutshwe nethimba elikhethekile elizophenya ngalokhu kubulala.
We're working very closely with SAPS as well as with the law enforcement and our LEAP officers, and we will also make sure that all the resources will be deployed. They promised me, SAPS promised me, and the senior management is here, so that it's a serious matter for them to catch the perpetrators.
Amagama abantu abashonile abengakadalulwa.